What's up, guys? It's Tyler Tuttle here, and today we are mulching. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a mulch job and combined with a huge hedge that we got to get trimmed up. And so me and Luke right now are headed to get mulch. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, here we are at the job. I'm the boss today. Here's Tuttle. I'm gonna pass it off here to Tuttle. Apparently Luke's taking over my role here. So we made it to the job, and we've got some mulch beds to clean up, and that's the big old hedge that I've got to get knocked down. So we'll get started real quick. All right, so I didn't have any fuel in the truck at all, so I had to run back and get that. But I've had Luke trimming everything. He's got the front trimmed up, and so now we've got to do these trimmed up, and then those bushes beside that building up there, Luke. Yeah, and then we got to start pulling the rocks back and cleaning the weeds up out of the beds. All right, so while Luke's getting all the bushes trimmed and stuff, I've got to get this big, huge hedge trimmed down, and then back off the road and back off the house on this side. So get all the tools set up for that. We went and got fuel, and we should be good to go. This hedge ended up being a lot bigger job than we thought. So while I started getting it trimmed up, Luke went around to the other side of the property to start cleaning out the flower beds and getting them ready for fresh mulch. All right, so they're cleaning up beds. Gotta get all this dead grass out of here so we can lay some mulch down. I'll get us. All right, we got most of the dead grass out, so we'll try to get as much of these leaves out as we can here. Blower's not like a head trimmer, boys. I can actually start it. Now I have to pull this grass up after that. Peppermint. Maybe I can't stop. Pulling the grass out here. It's probably gonna take me a minute. Well, we got it all trimmed up except for the top. So what I'm trying to do is take down as much of that top as I can. And you can see it's a pretty wide bush. I can't really reach it, but we're getting there. We'll get my ladder out and get the rest of it. I gotta walk over here to get a shovel. Let's go see what Tuttle's done.
Oh, look, he's got his video up there. Looks like he's doing a pretty good job. Got a nice mess to clean up for us here. Look at him over there.
Luke's officially fired from camera duties. He just filmed his entire session of transplanting a tree in time-lapse mode. So you'll get to see that in time-lapse mode, but there was a whole lot of funny things happening during that time. So, good job, Luke.
To mulch this first bed and then we'll do that one. I think I gotta weed it a little bit on that one still, but we gotta pull these rocks back right now and then we'll start laying down some mulch. Oh, some big rock.
Woo. That was tough. I feel pretty good about it though. I think it looks good and clean. Straight lines. I got it off the road for the most part, best I could. Now, we can get that bush.
Alright, we got the first bed done here, got the rocks laid back down. I'll have to take the leaf blower and pull it all up in a little bit, but probably have to smooth that out a little more. Try to get that out of that bush some, and it's pretty good.
Well, we got the front done, and now it's all left to do is these back beds. That one's gonna be kind of difficult because it's got all the flowers in it, so we'll probably have to do a lot of hand shoveling. And then that bigger bed over there, they put cardboard down to try to keep weeds down. That was them, not us, but we'll put it down on top of it.
blanket.
So, me and Luke's got a predicament. We did a mulch job earlier in the week, and I had calculated that the mulch that we used there, what's left over from it, plus another half scoop, would do this job. And we've got everything done, and we have this much mulch left. But the only thing we have left to do is this bed and that bed. So it's gonna be close. Well, we thought for sure we had enough, but we came up probably half a wheelbarrow short, probably. So we're gonna try to go find some bags that will match, and we'll come back in the morning and finish. As right now, we gotta get up all these clippings all of the stuff that we trimmed up. So get it cleaned up, and tomorrow we'll get it finished. All right, so we went to Ace, and they don't have their spring stuff out yet. So I had to go to Walmart, and I tried to pick the best brown that would match the mulch that we put down. And so got mulch. We're gonna put down the 4 bags that I bought because it's all we were short. And that'll be a wrap for this job. What started out as a pretty overgrown hedge and some tired looking beds turned into a really clean refresh for the whole property. We trimmed everything back, cleaned up the beds, and finished off with a fresh layer of mulch that really brought the place back to life. But if you enjoy coming along with us on these jobs, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more landscape jobs coming up. And we'll see you guys on the next one.